YouTube isn't just about watching videos. It's a platform where anyone can become a star. As an influencer, you have the power to build a community and earn serious cash. The key is to create engaging content that resonates with viewers. But it's not just about passion, it's about strategy. That's where AI comes in. AI tools are changing the game for YouTubers. These tools can help you understand your audience better. They can also help you optimize your content for maximum impact. With AI, you can work smarter, not harder, to achieve your influencer goals. Think of AI as your secret weapon in the world of YouTube. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips. These experts can help you analyze data, track trends, and make informed decisions about your content. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, buckle up. We're about to dive into the exciting world of AI and how it can help you maximize your earnings as an influencer. So you're creating awesome content, but how do you actually make money from it? YouTube offers multiple revenue streams for influencers. Let's break them down. Ad revenue. This is the most common way YouTubers make money. You get a cut of the ad revenue generated from your videos. The more views and engagement you have, the more you earn. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products in your videos. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Brand endorsements. Team up with brands for sponsored videos or shoutouts. You get paid to feature their products or services in your content. Merchandise sales. Got a loyal fan base? Create and sell your own branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different options and see what works best for you and your audience. Here's the thing. Your earning potential on YouTube can vary depending on your content language and target audience. English content tends to have a wider reach as it's a globally spoken language. This means more potential viewers and higher ad revenue. However, don't underestimate the power of regional languages. Creating content in languages like Hindi or Nepali can be incredibly lucrative. You're tapping into a massive and engaged audience. Similarly, your country of residence can also influence your earnings. For example, YouTubers based in the USA or UAE often have higher ad rates compared to those in India or Nepal. This is due to factors like advertiser demand and audience spending power. The key takeaway? Research your target audience and understand the market you're catering to. Choose a language and focus on a region where you can connect with viewers and build a loyal following. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Here's a roadmap to guide you through the journey. Year 1. The grind begins. Focus. Find your niche. Define your target audience and create high-quality content consistently. Goal: reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible for monetization. Strategy: experiment with different content formats, engage with your viewers, and learn the basics of YouTube SEO. Year 2. Leveling up. Focus. Optimize your content for discoverability. Collaborate with other creators and build your brand. Goal: grow your subscriber base, increase watch time, and explore different revenue streams. Strategy: invest in better equipment, learn advanced YouTube strategies, and engage with your community actively. Year 3. Becoming an authority. Focus. Establish yourself as a thought leader, diversify your income streams, and expand your reach. Goal: reach a wider audience, secure brand deals, and build a sustainable business. Strategy: attend industry events, network with brands, and leverage AI tools for data-driven decisions. Remember, this is just a general roadmap. Your journey may vary depending on your niche, content, and dedication. Your earnings as a YouTuber can vary greatly depending on your influencer level. Let's break it down. Micro-influencers with 1,000 to 100,000 subscribers, you're just starting out, but brands are beginning to notice you. You can earn anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s per month through a combination of ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and small brand deals. Mid-level influencers with 100,000 to 1 million subscribers, you've built a solid following and have a strong engagement rate. You can earn a comfortable full-time income ranging from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars per month through a mix of ad revenue, brand partnerships, and merchandise sales. Top influencers with over 1 million subscribers, you're a household name with a massive and highly engaged audience. your earning potential is limitless, often reaching six figures or more per month through a combination of premium brand deals, sponsorships, merchandise lines, and other ventures. Remember, subscriber count isn't everything. Engagement, niche relevance, and content quality play a crucial role in determining your earning potential. AI tools are revolutionizing how YouTubers create content, engage with their audience, and maximize their earnings. Here's how: content optimization. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy analyze keywords, track rankings, and suggest relevant tags to optimize your videos for search. This helps your content rank higher in search results, attracting more viewers. Engagement boost. AI-powered analytics dashboards provide deep insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and viewing habits. This helps you create content that resonates with your viewers, leading to higher engagement. Time-saving automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like video editing, transcription, and social media posting. Tools like Descript use AI to edit videos using text, making the process faster and more efficient. By leveraging these AI tools, you can work smarter, not harder, to grow your channel and boost your earnings. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of content creation. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and features that will empower YouTubers. Imagine AI-powered virtual assistants that help you manage your channel, schedule your content, and even interact with your viewers in real time. Or AI-generated content ideas tailored to your niche and audience preferences. The possibilities are endless. By embracing AI and staying ahead of the curve, YouTubers can unlock unprecedented opportunities for growth and monetization. While AI tools can significantly enhance your YouTube journey, it's crucial to remember that success ultimately boils down to human connection. Authenticity is key. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through and connect with your viewers on a personal level. Passion fuels creativity. Create content about topics you're genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will be contagious. Community is everything. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and build a strong sense of community around your channel. Remember, YouTube is all about human connection. AI tools can amplify your efforts, but it's your authenticity, passion, and community that will truly set you apart.